What if I told you, the life you want is just 3 minutes away? 3 minutes to understand the one skill that separates winners from dreamers. Stay with me, and in the next few minutes, you'll learn how to control your mind, your habits, and ultimately, your future. Self-discipline. Everyone talks about it, but few truly master it. It's the invisible force behind success, wealth, confidence, and happiness. Today, in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to break down how self-discipline works, why you keep failing at it, and exactly how to build it, step by step. Step 1. Understand the enemy. Your mind hears the harsh truth. Your brain is wired for comfort, not growth. Every time you choose the couch over the gym, scrolling over working, comfort food over healthy eating, your brain is simply doing its job, protecting you from discomfort. But here's the paradox. Growth only lives in discomfort. To build self-discipline, you have to train your mind to stop negotiating with your emotions. Stop waiting to feel ready. Winners act before motivation kicks in. Step 2. Build systems, not willpower. Most people fail at self-discipline because they rely on willpower, and willpower is a finite battery. Instead, successful people design systems that make discipline automatic. Remove friction. Put your phone in another room when working. Trigger habits. Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Batch decisions. Plan your meals, workouts, and tasks ahead. When you create an environment where the right choice is the easy choice, discipline becomes effortless. Step 3. Master the 2-minute rule. Big goals feel overwhelming. That's why you procrastinate. Here's the hack. Start small, so small your brain can't say no. Want to meditate for 20 minutes? Start with 2 minutes. Want to write a book? Start with 1 sentence. Action builds momentum. And momentum builds discipline. Step 4. Train your discomfort muscle. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. So practice doing hard things on purpose. Take cold showers. Skip dessert. Wake up 1 hour earlier. Every time you win a small battle, you rewire your brain to trust you. And when you trust yourself, discipline becomes your identity. Self-discipline isn't a skill you learn. It's a lifestyle you build, choice by choice, habit by habit. Start small, stay consistent, and in time, you won't just have self-discipline. You'll become it. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's the one habit you're starting today?